everybody, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Morgan and I'm obsessed with very expensive skincare. Hi, how are you? Today's video, I'm going to be doing a very long, very expensive skincare routine for you, a luxury skincare. If you're new here, I'm Morgan. I love luxury skincare. I swear by it. I have a whole channel dedicated to it. I'm just a luxury skincare junkie. Throughout my life, it has benefited my skin the most, and it's honestly one of the most important things in my life, my skincare routine. It's beyond important to me, and if I'm ever late to a function, it's never gonna be because of my makeup. It's never gonna be because of my wardrobe or my hair or I was caught up doing so. It's gonna be because of my skincare routine, okay? I love skincare, and in today's video, I concocted up a current dream routine. Now, I always do dream routines. The dream routine is always for me, the dream is always 100% La Mer. We know this. I am a La Mer fanatic, but I try a lot of products. So this video is gonna be just basically all La Mer and Chantecaille, but honestly, I have this great mixture with the exception of one Chanel product, but I've been loving what I've been using and it's been really great. So let's get right into the video. This is just what I've been using mostly day and night. Enjoy. Chanel #1 powder to foam cleanser right here. I just did a video on this guy. It is fantastic. You add foam to the powder and it just cleanses my face. It makes my skin so soft, so supple. It gives my face this beautiful glow. It cleanses it so gentle, and honestly, it clears all my breakouts. It clears all my pores, and honestly, the canvas it leaves behind has been stunning, and honestly, I would repurchase this product, and I'm very impressed with it, and I would buy Chanel's Camilla line. I definitely intend on buying more products from this line from Chanel. This is their newest skincare line, their Red Camilla line. So if you are contemplating on trying products from this line, specifically this cleanser, go for it. I totally recommend it. I use it day and night. I love it. The next product I'm gonna go in with is the La Mer Oil Absorbing Tonic right here. You guys know I love the original, the tonic, but I have the oil absorbing tonic, and I've been using it morning and night, and you have to mix it up, and I have the Shiseido cotton pad. And honestly, I've been loving this too, now. And honestly, I've been taking it, making sure to take it around my hairline, and that's been helping a lot too with just little breakouts that I get from hair products. And I don't know, this product, I always take it around my lines here because it is the oil absorbing tonic, and that's been helping with breakouts just along my hairline. And then I've been taking it on my nose, on my chin, and just where I break out the most, and then I'll work it out. So I definitely target my breakouts a lot more with this toner because of the way it works. Dry skin people, I don't think you're gonna need this unless your skin is oily. Next is my newest baby, and something you guys have been really questioning me a lot on. It is the La Mer, the new treatment lotion. It's the new formulation. Comes in a glass bottle. I've been using it morning and night nonstop. I've already used about this much of the product. It's been really good. Really good. Just like its predecessor, I just do 1, 2, 3. I think they say you could use up to 5. I mean, at least that was with the old one, but I just do 3, and that's more than enough. And I just sweep it over my skin. You do this right after your toner. And it just energizes and it preps your skin for oncoming products. And I always take it down my neck. This acts as an essence, but it's not quite an essence. It's a little more hydrating than an essence, and it honestly just energizes your skin, and it gives it a burst of hydration, and it really preps your skin and wakes your skin up and just makes you look all that much better. And it's this burst of miraclebroth that is hi, how are ya? Welcome to the day. Good night, good morning. We You are Miracle Broth head to toe. Oh my God, she's getting her own video, don't worry, but she's on me every day, every night, and day after day, my skin has been looking a lot better. The texture, the clarity, the suppleness, the hydration, the plumpness, the glow, it's looking good. I'm calling this a dream routine, you guys. So that means everything in here is, and it goes very well. Next, after I've hydrated myself, I'm gonna go in with a little concentrate vial. And this is the CHANTECAILLE Matin AM Aromacology right here. You get these in these little bullet type structures, and they come in AM and PM, and they're just little concentrations. This is the morning one. It's specifically designed for the day. Packaging isn't that great. It comes in like this little dropper. It's a little hard to get the stuff out. Very expensive. I believe it's around like 300 bucks for the whole kit. So it comes like this. Kind of reminds me of the, like in texture, the La Mer concentrate, but not quite, because they're obviously very different. But it just sweeps off your skin, and then I actually just tap it in. And my skin at this point in the game is just feeling like so pampered, it's insane. Like if you want like a luxury experience, this is it. Excess always comes down my neck. Excess always comes down my neck and on the back of my hands and on the back of my hands. Never waste product, especially any of the products that I'm showing you today. You don't waste them. Let this simmer. I just did a lot to my skin. So at this point, I'm gonna let it simmer, and then I'll go in with an eye cream at this point. I have been using and loving the Nano Gold Energizing Eye Cream by CHANTECAILLE right here. I was using the, what was it? I paid a lot of money for it. I think I paid like $270 for it. It was the Clé de Peau Gold eye cream. I still have it. I'm struggling using it. It definitely gave me a lot of irritation around here, so I had to stop myself from using it. This has not given me any irritation. I have been using the heck out of it. I'm almost out, but I just dip my ring finger right in. I use a lot of it, and that might be excessive. That's a lot for an eye cream, but I love taking it and just dabbing it, and I love just taking it all around my eye area because it's just so smooth and so moisturizing and satisfying. So I'll take it because I smile. I have like smile lines like all up here. So I'll like massage up here. And then I'm just sweeping. There's no pressure being applied because it's all with my ring finger. Then I'll take it in the middle of my forehead here, and then I'll just start working the whole area. And it comes with its own spatula too. I just don't have it. Then I'll always take it down like my smile line here, and then I'll sweep it out. I don't want to like do this because then it kind of just like trains it to go down. So I'll always kind of like do this, like up, and then I'll actually take it over my lip, because then of course you get these lines here as you get older, and then you'll start getting lines here. So I always come up in here. I never get any irritation here from that. And then of course we just work it into my skin. I feel amazing. Like, how do you not feel amazing? I mean, are you kidding me? Like, are you kidding? How are you not feeling amazing? Like, how are you not late for stuff when you're using these products? Like, my husband's like, Morgan, where are you? Doing my skincare routine. Oh my God. All right, are you done? No, I have to do makeup after this. And he's like, oh my God. How though? Like, do you not, I mean, come on. Alrighty, so now that things are like settling, we're gonna go in with the serum. Now guys, I'm taking you on the whole journey. Like, this is the whole journey. This is the whole routine. Now, some days I'm feeling a little like too much. Like, there's a lot of, this is a long routine. Now, if I'm feeling like this is the whole, you know, so if I'm feeling like this is too much, I'll take some products out. Like, I'll take the concentrate step out sometimes. If I'm feeling, I haven't been taking this out because of, you know, obvious reasons. I'm really trying to test this. But sometimes if it's like super muggy out or something or whatever, I'll try to skip a step, like for real, or if, like, even if you, like for some reason you don't want, like sometimes if it's like, I don't need a full routine for whatever reason, like I'll skip steps. I'll just be like, all right, I'm only gonna use this. I'll cleanse, tone, this, and then a moisturizer, which is like very rare because like you don't wanna miss a serum, but like let's say I like just wake up and I'm cleansing, but I know I'm gonna like shower very soon. Like I'm not gonna waste a serum. Like you don't wanna waste serums. I don't know, like serums are very important. So, okay, so this serum is the Bio Lifting Serum by Chantecaille right here. Very good serum, very potent, very effective. I wanna do a video on this one. Comes in a dropper application, almost out of it, very light. That's why I really gotta do a video on it. As soon as I apply this serum, my face, I can feel my face tighten. Like that's the status the serum's on. And I love it because it feels incredibly satisfying being applied. Like it's almost gel-like, but it's not. It almost even feels like a hyaluronic acid. It just feels so like moisturizing. Again, it's not. But as soon as you like apply this to your skin for the first time, you'll feel your skin like it's like that. It's like that. So like, yeah, no, I'm not trying to like waste this. Like that's something that I don't want to waste. Like I actually value this serum over this just because, I mean, come on, like we have an essence type lotion versus a bio lifting serum. Like we have to be honest with ourselves. See what I'm saying? Serums are more powerful than an essence. Let's be honest. And like you also have to pay attention to the order I'm using these in. See what I'm saying? It's like a toner, then an essence, then a concentrate, then a serum, then you wanna throw on your eye stuff, then you wanna put on your moisturizer. It's just an order, you know? Okay, so the serum's on, okay? I think it's a little soon, but we're gonna top it off. What are we topping it off with? What do you guys think I'm topping it off with? Take a guess, I'll take a sip. Just take a guess. Because I'm just really gonna just take it home today and I'm just gonna top it off with, I mean, obvi, the queen, Little Miss Crème de la Mer. I'm almost out of it again. Shocker, I know. So many jars of Crème de la Mer, just so many. So many jars of Crème de la Mer. It's just beyond. I just use so much La Mer, it's insane. Anyway, I'm just gonna not use a lot of it because I honestly have so many steps on my face already, but you just, a little dab will do ya, especially with all these steps. So right here, this cream is very thick. Notice I'm rubbing it in between my fingers. We gotta make sure it's translucent. It's very thick, it's very effective, and you don't need a lot to make the magic happen. And I'm just tapping, tap, and just, this was a little, that's honestly, you might need a little more than what I just put on my face, to be honest with you. I'm gonna be honest with you. But it's honestly a little warm out today, so I'm not worried about it, but I would recommend just a little more than what I put on. I have so many videos on Crème de la Mer, go check them out. That's the best cream in the world, in my opinion. It still is the best queen. It is the queen. It is the best cream in the world. In my opinion, I'm a La Mer junkie through and through. I love La Mer so much. It's even hard for me to like talk about the Genaissance line a lot because I'm just so happy with just like mainstream, like just classic, just give me that Miracle Broth La Mer. It's like hard for me to go to the crystallized fermentation Miracle Broth because that's what the Genaissance line is. It's like a totally different ferment. And it's like hard for me because I'm so happy with this ferment that it's like hard for me to like get off this and then go to like the crystallized version, which is way more expensive. Even though it's way more expensive and more bougie and whatever, it's like not even about that for me. It's like more just like this works so well for my skin. I just don't want to like mess with that. I don't know. Anyway, now after that, once I'm feeling just like so plump, so extra, so like, oh my God, my skin just feels like it got out of the most like expensive spa in the world. And I'm just feeling like honestly, like when I'm done with my skincare routines, I'm like, After this, honestly, I don't even feel like putting makeup on, truthfully. When you use that, you don't even want makeup. So after this, I'm almost out, thank God. No, not thank, I should buy a new one. I love this Rosewater. It's the CHANTECAILLE Pure Rosewater. I talk about it all the time. When I really want to be extra, which is every single day of my life, I just squirt it. Oh my God, smells incredible. Oh, now I'm feeling like royalty. Now I feel insane. Now I feel like, no, I don't want a single stitch of makeup on my face. My face is worth more than like my entire outfit. Like, actually, no. No, never mind. My face, what is sitting on my face though, is worth like a couple G's. So like, no, I'm not trying to put on makeup right now. I guarantee you what's sitting on my face at the current moment is worth more than my entire makeup routine ever would be. So like, no makeup, no. You need to take a back seat. You need to take a back seat, makeup. Anyway, if you're new here, I'm sorry. I just get super passionate about skincare. Anyway, you guys, this is my current dream routine. If you're wondering where the SPF is, I got something cooking with some SPFs right now. That's why I didn't show it on this video. So don't worry about that. I love everything in this video. I definitely recommend everything in this video. I'm gonna link everything in this video down below for you guys to shop. If you haven't done so already, subscribe to my channel. I'm always sharing and I'm always doing routines, I'm always doing reviews, and I'm always showing you guys what I'm up to. I love you guys. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram for updates and pictures and whatever else, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Love you. Mwah!